You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this shape. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting but confusing names and words too, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it in British English? Quadrilateral. Stress on the third la syllable, quadrilateral. Quadrilateral in American English, however, it is usually said as quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.